Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. Today we got another man can announcement we're going to be making, unboxing our February Love Your Gun can. The March Range Essentials can is the one that's for pre-order right now. In case you guys don't know how Man Cans works, it's a monthly subscription box that we sell. In the theme of a mystery box, basically what we do is we select a theme and you pre-order the items, and the items that come in the box are meant to be a surprise, and it is meant to embrace the theme that we select. So for the month of March, being Range Essentials, we put things in there such as like targets and all different types of things you would take to the range and have fun with. Plinking, targets, organization, stuff like that. It's a really cool box, and we've been doing this for quite some time, and all the funds we earn off this box go right back to supporting the channel. So we definitely appreciate all the folks who have supported Man Cans. We sell this box in a 3-tier system. You have a $30 tier, a $60 tier, and a $100 tier. Obviously, when you buy the higher tiers, you get all of the lower tiers as well when you buy the higher tier, if that makes sense. Really cool stuff. Really useful stuff. We like to make sure that the things in these boxes are very useful to you guys, and we like to really take lots of feedback from y'all to improve these boxes as much as we can, okay? Remember, the idea is that we want usefulness, and that was really the whole, original idea of this can. Okay, so love your gun, all right? So if you're getting this box and you want to be surprised, this is a part of the video you don't want to watch because this is kind of a spoiler. This box is shipping out now, so it hasn't gone out yet. So some of you guys like to be surprised, so don't watch this if you do. But if you can't wait and you want to know, we're going to go ahead and unbox it now. All right, so the $30 can, we did the Otis Gunsmith file set. All right, that's a handy little set there. All right, we did the single tip swabs. That's also an Otis product. We actually went with Otis for just about everything in this box because we love the Otis products quite a bit, and they try to treat us right in terms of like when we buy stuff from them, so it gives us a bit of a margin where we can earn funds for the channel, which is great, but you guys get really great gear too, which is cool. All right, we did a brush set from Otis. You can never have enough of these. They wear out, so that's a nice thing to have extras of. And just so you guys know, the Love Your Gun month is usually February of every single year we do gun maintenance. So we don't wear this particular theme out that much, and the reason so is, because we don't want to bombard you with too much cleaning stuff, but we figure about once a year people need kind of a refresh, update some of their cleaning stuff, and that's what this can is meant to be every year. Same thing for the Range Essentials, right? Targets wear out, so that's why the Range Essentials one is in March. We figure you're going to get your guns cleaned up in February. The weather's warming up in March. You get your box in, you go out and start doing a little plinking when the weather's warming up, that sort of thing. That's kind of our way of thinking there. All right, we did a Freedom Lube. All right, these guys are local here in Georgia, so that's actually a pretty decent size jar of lube there for you to, keep your guns clean with. That's our $30 box. In the Man Up can, we did the Universal, what Otis calls their Patriots kit. In their Patriot series, the Universal Rifle Cleaning Kit. These things are super, super, super useful, and they're compact. Everything packs up into this little clamshell box, and it gives you a lot of flexibility for cleaning a wide variety of different guns. You can clean pistols with them too, no problem. You got 22, 270, and 30 cal brushes, some jags, stuff like that, a bore snake with a handle. You got some patches and a brush. Really, really handy. And these things are not cheap. Okay. And the Mega Man Up, this is really neat. I didn't even know Otis made this, and when I saw that we were going to put this in the box, I thought it was really cool. The Mega Man Up gets the long-term storage kit. All right, you got some FP10, which Chad and I, if you ever followed our lubricants that we use video, we use FP10 quite a bit. It's a great lubricant. So you get some rust preventative, some FP10, all different kind of stuff in here. Let's see, you got rust stopper, let's see, microfiber towels, chamber flags, nitrile gloves, all-purpose brush. It's a 20-piece kit. Comes with all kind of stuff. FP10, MC7 bore cleaner, a 6-ounce rust preventative, towels, and it comes with these rust prevention gun storage bags. So this is meant for like long-term storage. Let's say you've shot your favorite gun, you're going to put it up for a while, and you want to make sure it's not going to rust up while it's in storage. Really, really handy unit, and it comes in a handy little plastic case. And you could probably even consolidate, if you bought the $100 tier, you could probably consolidate all of this gear into this little box and have one convenient little package to, you know, have there on your gunsmithing bench or your workbench or whatever. So there is the Love Your Gun box. I was really excited. Anytime we get Otis involved in these boxes, we're always happy because they make such great products. And it goes without saying. I mean, they have military contracts. They're assigned NSN numbers on a lot of their SKUs. Really, really, really good products, okay? So always excited to get Otis in the boxes. Don't forget to get your Range Essentials box. It's only going to be up for pre-order for about another 6 or 7 days. In case you guys don't know, we get a lot of questions, and we say this all the time, and we put it on the website all the time, but people still ask this question. It's a pre-order, right? So if you're ordering March's box, that box will ship in March. Whatever box you're ordering is the box you're ordering. So if you go on there to complete a man-cam purchase and it says March Range Essentials and you buy a standard, a man-up, or a mega man-up box, that's the box you're getting. Okay? I don't know any other way to put it, guys. Like, whatever box is for sale is the boxes for sale. Now, if you go on there and the Range Essentials box isn't on there and it's next month's can, well, then you're ordering April's can. You're not ordering March's can. And it'll say what it is. And I don't even know what April's theme is yet. So I wouldn't be able to tell you. But once Range Essentials is sold out, the next tier of man cans will go up for sale, and then that will be April's box. So I hope that makes sense. It's a pre-order, right? So you know, if you have any questions, just email us about it. But we hope you guys are happy with the boxes. We try so hard to make sure that you guys get useful stuff. And the funds do go right back into supporting the channel. And we really, really appreciate all the years of support that you guys have given us. I know lots of folks purchase t-shirts over on Ballistic Ink. Lots of folks are patrons over there on Patreon. And thank you guys so much for the support. I know I don't engage with the Patreon supporters enough, and I apologize for that. We're just super focused. Don't think we're trying to ignore you. We're not. The way that we show our support for what you do for us is we keep cranking out content. That really is the name of the game for us, is to be able to put out as much content as we can, and to stay in the 2A fight is a really, really big part of that, right? This is all stuff that you'd probably be buying anyway, right? So man cans is a great way to support us and still get the things that are useful to you. And then let's say you don't want to buy a man can, you don't want to buy t-shirts, you don't want to buy, you don't want to donate money on Patreon. A lot of folks shop on Amazon. If you go on our website and you use our Amazon affiliate link, you can buy anything you want on Amazon that you might already be buying. Some people buy their groceries on Amazon, and we'll get a little bit of a cutback of the money from all your Amazon purchases as well. And then also, if you click our Amazon link on the website, there are lots of products that we use on a regular basis that we put in our Amazon store because they're things that we use a lot, right? And people ask us all the time. We get all these emails. Hey, what are those sunglasses? What's that watch? What camera does Chad use? You know, it's not something that would merit a full video, right? Maybe in usual case, but we put it up on the Amazon store, and I may reply to the comment and say, hey, go check out our Amazon store. It's all on there. So if you ever wonder, like the stuff we use all the time, everything from dog collars to watches to pants to shirts, all the gear we use you can buy on Amazon. And if you use the Iraq Veteran link, we'll get a bit of a cutback from your favorite Amazon sellers, which is a really cool way to support the channel as well. Thank you guys so much. And I want to mention too, for those of you that are still here, we've been putting out a lot of gripe content. And I really apologize. I know it's a lot of gripe content, and we're not trying to bog you guys down with political stuff. But the thing is, there's a lot going on in the 2A community, and everything's happening really, really fast in terms of politics and legislation, right? It's an election year. There's a lot of stuff going on that you need to know about. So you're going to see a bit of an influx in gripes. Don't think that we're trying to troll you or bog down your feed. We've still got tons of great gun videos that are coming out. And we are going to be doing more gunsmithing. and reloading type content as well moving forward. So we hope you'll join us for that. Don't think that we're trying to bog you down with gripes, but understand the 2A fight is extremely important to us. We're pro 2A first. I mean, we are a gun channel first, but we're also 2A first over everything else. And for us, it's super important to make sure that we maintain the visibility that we are in this fight. Well, because we are in the fight. We attend the rallies. So when you purchase man cans, Patreon support, t-shirts over on Ballistic Ink, support us on Amazon, however you support us, those funds go to buying plane tickets to go to rallies, you know, new lenses for cameras, new cameras, you know, Chad's paycheck, John's paycheck. I mean, all those funds enter the lifeblood of what we do and support what we do and allow us to put out our content for you guys. So thank you for being a part of that. We've got a heck of a lot to do, lots of videos. So we really appreciate you being a part of it, and we'll see you guys soon. Many more videos on the way. Thank you for the support.